This is Jackson Mummy from Celebration Bar Review. I wanted to introduce you today to a brand new product that I'm very excited about. It's called BarMaps. These are products that come with our regular Bar Review courses, but we know that not everyone either wants to buy a full course or has the capability of doing that. We also know that you're probably interested in getting right to the heart of the material that you need in an effective and an efficient way, and that's what BarMaps do. What we've done is to take two important parts of our course and make them available to you on a subject-by-subject basis or as a group of subjects from the multi-state or state courses. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you in this short video. We're going to provide a set of videos for every subject that's built on an interactive model. And what that means is that you can actually choose within a lecture the subtopic items that you want to watch. You'll have a menu letting you know every topic within the lecture and how long it runs. You can click right in to that part of the lecture and get the information that you need. These lectures are the full complete lectures that we use in our Bar Review courses successfully for over 25 years. Each lecture is built with a video and audio component to it so that you're watching the text as you're listening to the material for the most impact as you're studying. And in addition to that, what we've done is to embed a set of interactive visual mind maps. Now, if you're not familiar with mind mapping, it's a great way to take notes and to visualize the material that's in a particular subject or lecture. We've created these mind maps from our tables of contents of our Bar Review outlines, and they follow along with the lecture. What happens is that you have a visual mind map to look at that's got sub-mind maps for the topics within each subject as well. So BarMap is literally an opportunity to go through the lectures and to see what the text looks like in a mind map structure. I think you're going to love that. Now, with these mind maps that we provided, you can copy and edit them and create your own set of mind maps using ours as the beginning. And in fact, we suggest this to our existing students as the most effective way to study. Now, the best part of all of this is the price. For right now, the price of this entire package is only $375 for all 7 multi-state subjects. Or you can buy each subject individually for $75, so you can see you're going to save $150 just by buying the entire package. That's 2 free subjects when you buy the whole package. We will most likely be raising the price as we go along, but we wanted to make this special introductory offer. So now what I want to do is to give you a quick look at what one of the bar maps look like and give you a brief guided tour. I'm pleased to introduce you to the bar map system, and I'm excited to show you what it looks like. What I've done is to put up an example from multi-state torts to show you just how this bar map works. Once you order your bar map program, you'll be directed into a secure web page for each subject. This is the torts page. You'll see that we've got 2 lectures, and I'll look at those in just a moment. And then we've also got a mind map for the subject of torts. Now, the way that the lectures work is the key to this system. Once you start the lecture, and there's a brief title page here, you will then be directed into the bar map. And in this bar map, you'll see that there are 6 different sections. And each one has not only the identification of that topic that's going to be discussed, but it has the time frame. So if you're interested in doing a deeper dive or you want to look at just one part of a topic, it's easy to do that. If I'd like to look at negligence in torts, all I do is click on the negligence section here, and it actually begins that part of the lecture. Now, the way that the lectures are done is unique as well. We've put together our text as well as the audio, so you'll be able to read the text as you are listening to the discussion. And this is a terrific way to be able to experience the full lecture. Now, at the end of that section of the lecture, when it's all done, you will have the opportunity to make some other choices. And what happens is I can go to the next module or I can return to start. And so if I return to start, I'm back here and I can then just pick the particular subject that I want to be looking at and go right there. So if I want to look at liability, I jump in right there. So that's the process. Now, we've done that for 2 different lectures. So again, you've got lecture 1 in torts and lecture 2. Each of these lectures normally is about 3 hours in length. So it's a great way to dive in and go deeper. Now, the bar map system goes a bit further than that by adding a proprietary mind map for each one of these subjects. This is our mind map for torts. And as you see, it's got, again, a series of sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each of these items are drawn from our Celebration Bar Review materials. But the amazing part of this system is that what we've done is to take that topic and then create a sub-mind map for each topic. So as you go into each of those mind maps and you open them up, you will then see the subtopic here. And if you have an account with MindMeister, you'll be able to edit that on your own. If you don't have an account, very simply, you'll just go back and create your own mind maps using what we've given you. All you have to do if you want to copy it is just click on that button and you can copy the mind maps. So this gives you the overall view of the subject and then goes into greater detail. And it's linked to our mind mapping. So as we create additional enhancements for each of these mind maps, they'll automatically be available to you right from this page. It's a great way to put your studies together and to dig in deeper where you want to go and add to the mind maps, which are the best way to study and learn the material.